TBS News, I'm Rosine Park. As the spread of COVID-19 continues to intensify across South Korea, health authorities have reported more than 2,300 new cases of infection. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said 2,356 local cases of transmission and 27 imported infections were confirmed in the last 24 hours, raising the total case count to 303,553. According to the latest figures, more than 90% of the newly identified patients were from the Greater Seoul area, fueling fears the country has yet to face the worst of an anticipated post-Chuseok holiday surge. 6 more lives were also taken by the virus, pushing the death toll to 2,456. In a bid to speed up the national vaccination campaign and achieve herd immunity by November, authorities will announce a plan to inoculate pregnant women and adolescents between the ages of 12 and 17 starting in October. Booster shots may also be administered to medical workers and people over the age of 60 in the fourth quarter of the year. KDCA data showed more than 74% of South Koreans have so far received one shot of a COVID-19 vaccine, while 23% have been fully vaccinated. Changes to social distancing levels could come later this week. Health Ministry spokesman Song Yong-rae said a briefing on the matter will be held this Friday. Level 4 distancing rules are in place in the Greater Seoul area and Level 3 for most all other regions until October 3rd. Nearly 43% of South Koreans support vaccinating children aged 12 and up against COVID-19. According to a survey conducted by the Korea Society Opinion Institute, commissioned by TBS, 42.6% of respondents said shots should be administered to the 12 to 17 age group as soon as possible so they can return to normal life, including getting back to school. Meanwhile, 49.1% said the government should wait to see how the situation pans out in other countries before making a decision. Last week, health authorities said they will not mandate COVID vaccines for children. The latest survey conducted Friday and Saturday on 1,600 adults nationwide had a margin of error of plus or minus 3.1 percentage points at the 95% confidence level. Myanmar's ambassador to the United Nations has accepted a deal to keep his post despite opposition from the governing military regime. As part of the agreement between China, Russia, and the United States, Cha Mo-tun will not address the UN General Assembly on the last day of the annual gathering today. The ambassador said he was proud to continue representing his country.
I feel proud of it because I'm still representing the country and still representing the people of Myanmar. So you look at the voices coming out from the people inside the country and outside the country, and that they see me as a permanent representative of Myanmar here at the UN.
And Choi Kyung-ju, better known internationally as KJ Choi, has become the first Korean to win a men's professional senior golf tour event in the United States. The 51-year-old veteran golfer shot a final round of 68 with 5 birdies and 1 bogey to take the PGA Tour champions at Pebble Beach Golf Links in California on Sunday. He had a total score of 13 under 203. That's all the news for now. You're listening to TBS eFM.